You want motivation? Here it is. Think of that goal you want. You've written it down, you've told people about it, it's in your dreams at night. You don't need motivation. That doesn't last. What you need is discipline. Discipline, because I can guarantee that adrenaline, that enthusiasm you feel when you first set your goal, that's gonna fade. There's about to be days or even weeks when you might be thinking, I don't want this goal anymore, I don't need this. All that's saying is, I can settle. Motivation excites you. It fills your head with that visualization of what that accomplishment could look like. Discipline demands action. It's what's gonna get you out of bed early, what's gonna remind you not to eat the things you know don't fuel your body. It's what's gonna get you to give over 100% because that's what you've set out to do. Discipline is the key. Train your mind, train your body.